Yo, what's up, everyone? Today is the first day of winter quarter. Decided to vlog today. I'm gonna show you guys my barber setup. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do to get ready for the new winter quarter. Today I think I'm planning on cutting my hair, doing laundry, doing an assignment that I have to do that's due Friday. So I'm gonna just be showing you guys what I do throughout the day. So I'm just gonna be talking to you guys as I, prepare for this, like my setup. I'm trying to get better at vlogging. I find it very difficult to try to entertain you guys with my life because it's pretty boring. All I do is cut hair, go to class, and study. That's basically what my day consists of. But I wanna start doing a better job at vlogging, telling a story, explaining how I'm feeling that day. I really want to grow my YouTube channel. I really want to expand. That's the reason why I think today I decided to vlog all this. I mean, it's just simple stuff, setting up my setup and doing little things, but bring you guys more into my life, and I want to show you guys what I do on a regular basis. I'll get back to you guys after I'm done setting everything up, and then I'll show you guys what I have.
Tours collide, and this is the fallout. This guy's with your face on it, oh, I'm like dreamt out. You got my phone number, baby, don't cry now. I'm on my way right now, with something that I drive out. Rolling it one, rolls for the with one. You're my whole world, oh, I hope you're with some. Parties on parties, you hurt me. I get don't love you, and you did me dirty. I don't wanna fight right now, baby, it's too early. You repeating the same mistakes, oh, you just hurt me. Should've just shot me down, instead you burned me. Hope you never come around, oh, you were a bird.
I was back home for the holidays for 3 weeks, and I was using my little brother's machines and stuff. And damn, I really missed my my machines and stuff and my tools. Like, you never know how much you get used to something until you lose it for a while. Clientele is very young, usually my age or younger, and a lot of people always tell me oh, how do you start cutting? And I tell them my story, and I feel like I need to say that story. I think I'm gonna leave that for another video. But the reason why I brought this up is because people are interested in cutting hair, but they don't find the courage to start cutting hair or get the clippers and mess somebody up, and that's how you learn, by messing up. And people want to start this or want to learn how to cut their own hair, because I cut my own hair, and basically what I tell them is just if you don't have a clippers, just basically invest in some and just start cutting hair. Just watch a couple videos, get comfortable with the idea of cutting hair, and yeah, just cut somebody's hair or cut your own hair. When I started, I cut my brother's, and I instantly started cutting my hair, and I've been cutting my hair for 4.5 years now. The moral of the story is, if you want to learn how to cut hair, just do it. If you want to learn how to do videos, just do it. You have nothing to lose. It's free. All you lose is your time, I guess. But you see the possibilities. You see possible career paths. For me, I could take barbering more seriously after I graduate. Maybe go get my license or something, or I could get better at making videos. And if I go work in a company, probably make videos for them. So if you have something that you're interested in, don't wait. Just dive in. You're gonna get negative feedback. You're gonna say that your stuff's boring, that your stuff is dumb, that you suck at cutting hair, whatever it may be. You have to start somewhere, and just do it. And yeah, that's my rant for this vlog. I want to show you guys what I have, my equipment that I use to cut hair every single day. If any of you guys who are younger and who are in high school, or you know, starting off in college and want to learn how to cut hair, I'm gonna show you guys what's like the thing that you definitely need at the beginning. Obviously, you will need a machine. One for a beginner will be the Wall Seniors. It's a professional clipper, but I think it's very versatile. I haven't had any problems with the Seniors, and they're my go-to. I feel like the Masters is more heavier, and I like it. I like all three of these, but my favorite for a beginner, for anyone that asks me what clipper should they buy, I say the Wall Seniors. Off, you will need a detailer. The one that I started off with was the NST liner, and that's basically all you need to start off cutting hair. It's a detailer to shave and to do lineups if you feel comfortable with it, or to line up the nape area, and the Wall Seniors to do your fading and to cut down bulk. Besides that, I feel like you will need a flat comb, and this is used to blend the long hair on the top with the short hair on the side. So a major one is anti-skull care. Anti-skull care, because this is a 5-in-1, and you use it it's a coolant, it's a disinfectant, it's a lubricant, a cleaner, and you use this. You wipe off the excess hairs on your clippers, and you spray your clippers on with this, and that should keep it clean. With $150, you can get yourself the Wall Seniors and the anti-steel liners, and that's all you need for the beginning to get comfortable here. But yeah, I think I'm gonna cut my hair, and then I'll show you guys the result after I'm done with that.
Is being broadcast by the Department of Defense of the Republic. At 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple unidentified objects were confirmed to have entered Earth's atmosphere.
So high, way up, stay high, later, 4 hours, can't run, your eyes.
Alright y'all, so this is the final product. Just a little quick taper. Yeah, so right now I think I'm gonna shower first, and then I'm gonna do laundry, or I don't know.
So high, way up, stay high, later, 4 hours, can't run, your eyes, fake love, hey.
This video I'm using my little brother's music. He just came out with this project. Dislike it if you guys like the way it sounds, the beats, the whatever. Make sure to check him out, man. Like, he's a very talented dude. He's been doing this for a while, 2 years now, and everything is homemade. He records everything in his room. He's very talented. Hit him up. I'm gonna leave his YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna leave his Twitter and his Instagram. So make sure to go and show my boy some love. But yeah, so with all that being said, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. And this vlog was just for me to start trying to get comfortable with doing this more regularly. I'm gonna leave my social media down below so you can follow me, and please share or comment or just like the video. Like, just help me start growing. And yeah, so on to the next one.